A strong personal brand has authority. People come to you because they respect you. They want to pay you. They want to seek you out. A strong personal brand generates income because people buy your products and services because they trust what you have to say, because you're well known, because you're among peers. A strong personal brand has a team behind it, of people that are editing content, of people that are getting the word out and doing the work behind the scenes. But how do you build a personal brand? I'm Dennis Yu, CEO of Blitzmetrics, and I was one of the early founders at Yahoo. I also built most of AA.com for American Airlines. In my career, I've spent almost $1 billion on advertising. That is a lot of learning, that's a lot of mistakes that I want to be able to teach you. And in growing my company, Blitzmetrics, which is about training young adults and VAs alike in becoming pros at digital marketing, we've assembled the very best training that we have gone through ourselves, step by step. So you're learning from practitioners. Everything that we are teaching you here, we have done ourselves to be able to validate it so that anyone, even if they're not a superstar or a super genius, can find success in following the recipe. If you can assemble IKEA furniture, or if you can follow a recipe for Betty Crocker, you're gonna find success in this personal branding course.